how to read somebody's message on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to do that in 2022. So we've all been there. Sometimes we just wanna see a message without replying to it straight away. So I'm just going to go to my chats right here, and if I scroll to the right, as you can see, it is going to take me back to the main page of Snapchat. However, if you want to do this, you have to be super precise. First off, I want you to place your finger on the person's icon like that and just drag to the left. Don't go all the way because it is going to mark it as read, but just go enough like that so you can see the message or some part of it, and you can return it back like this. And as you can see, the chat has not been opened. I repeat, you just place your finger on the person's icon and just slowly drag it to the left like that. You can use your thumb as well to help you with this. Read the message, but don't go all the way and don't release it, and then you just drag it back to the left like that, and the message has not been opened. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Take care.